Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. Here guys, we cooking the risotto pasta. This is actually the Italian pasta. We cook this and we boiled water for 5 to 8 minutes, or at least this pasta risotto well cooked, and we separate boiling the in water. So after that, this is what happened. The ingredients are baby peas, the baby peas here, the green beans, the risotto pasta, and the grated carrots. Again, we sauteed this with leeks. If you don't want leeks, but leeks is very good, very light flavor. Or you can put the onions and the garlic. So after we sauteed it with the extra virgin olive oil, or you can use the normal oil too, like vegetable oil or canola. We just use the sunflower oil like that. And the ingredients: salt and pepper, boil it separate, then to 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, we put this all together. After we sauteed this for 10 to 15 minutes, the vegetables, and then we mix it all the risotto. And this is what it looks like here. Exactly what it looks like here. You can put mint leaves here on the top or something. And also we add the black olives too. See that? There's a black olives. It tastes really good, guys. Honestly, it tastes really good. And oh yeah, we have to put some tomatoes too. Yeah, during that sauteed one. Garlic, onion, or leeks. We sauteed it and put salt and pepper. And then we put this all together here. After this vegetables cooked, the baby leaves, the grated carrots, and this baby peas, and the tomato. After they cook that, and then we mix it all together, the boiling risotto pasta, we drain it away, and then we put it all together, lower the fire into 5 minutes until it's cooked. And this is what it looks like now, guys. And it tastes really yummy. It tastes really yummy. And in here, I got a whole chicken, but I just only eat one part of it. But we just bought this in the shop. This chicken here, right here, I just make this. I just put in the low fire here, like that. And I put the chicken here. So you want to burn me, I just reheat this so it's nice and warm. And that's my main dish for today. And on the other hand, my asawa is a vegetarian, so he's got different meat. He's got vegetarian, vegan meat. I can eat fish or light fish. It's a lean meat, and this one sometimes for my protein. And sometimes I can eat all this vegan food too, like almond nuts, or some nuts, cashew nuts, or any nuts that I can eat if I don't want to eat the animal meat. So that's my main dish, and that's for my dinner tonight. It takes like 5 minutes to get hot, and I'll do that with my pasta here. I'll partner this together, and it tastes really good. And already sold my dinner, guys. Mga kababayan, this is really masarap. Enjoy, guys. This is the leftover, but actually not leftover manok or chicken. This is whole chicken. I just removed this because I'm the only one eating, and my little baby dog. I just shared that to her. She liked it. And probably I can cook a little bit more to share it more, but actually that's too much for me, so I can share it some few. Of course, it cooled down, so I can share it to my little baby dog. Together with this risotto, vegetables, and risotto pasta. Actually, this is the first time I taste this, and it is really, really nice. It's kind of version of rice, normal rice, jasmine rice, but kind of a taller one, bit longer and bit fatter. So it tastes good, kind of light taste together. I think I can put this one now. We are ready, especially this one. This is my food here. See this one in the bottom. You can trade out if you don't want that, but I guess that's it more than actually, guys, this one is not very healthy to those health conscious right there watching you guys right now. I always remove this one. It's really clogging your heart with this, your arteries. So the doctor advised, if you want to get healthy, just remove this one. I know, guys, I know this is very taste good. I used to love this chicken skin, but when I learned that it will really clog your arteries, I remove it and then just give it to my little puppy dog. And mostly I eat really the breast fillets without any fats and just remove the skin. I know they really taste good, and this is a really good taste. And look at that foil here. Sorry, I'm not eating it anymore. I just remove that and just eat this. That's for my little dog. That's it, guys, for today. That's our dinner. Simple dish, easy to make, very quickly, and really affordable too. Very good. Thank you for watching. This is Imolchewski here. This is the main chef cooking this today. Just helping him. Thank you so much, guys, once again, for always supporting us. Salamat sa walang sawang pag-support sa amin, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting us. We really appreciate it. Thank you to everybody. And see you later when I make another video. Bon appetit! See that? That's a lot of protein there. And this, I got a vegetables and I got the pasta. That's it. So, ang aming food. Bon appetit, everybody. Bye-bye.